Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will cover the important MCQs related to who is who in India. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of ISRO? Right answer is option B, V. Narayanan. V. Narayanan recently appointed as the new chairman of ISRO and he succeeded S. Somnath. So remember this. Let's see some important points about ISRO. Full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. It was formed on 15th August 1969 and its headquarters is located in Bengaluru. So remember this. Next question. Who has been recently appointed as the new chairperson of the National Commission for Women? Right answer is option B. Vijay Kishore Rahatkar. Vijay Kishore Rahatkar is the current chairperson of National Commission for Women. Next question. Who is the present CEO of Niti Aayog? Right answer is option A. BVR Subramaniam. BVR Subramaniam is the present CEO of Niti Aayog. Let's see some important points about Niti Aayog. Full form of Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. It was established on 1st January 2015. Current chairman is Narendra Modi. First vice chairman was Arvind Pangadia and the first CEO was Sindhu Shri Khullar. So remember all this. Next question. Who is the current president of Film and Television Institute of India? Right answer is option B. R. Madhavan. R. Madhavan is the current president of Film and Television Institute of India, which is located in Pune. Next question. Who is the current CEO and chairperson of Railway Board? Very important question. And the correct answer is option C, Satish Kumar. Recently, Satish Kumar has been appointed as the new CEO and chairman of Railway Board. So remember this. Next question. Who is the current director of CBI? Right answer is option B, Praveen Sood. Praveen Sood is the current director of CBI. Let's see some important points about CBI. CBI stands for Central Bureau of Investigation. It was established on 1st April 1963. Motto of CBI is Industry, Impartiality, Integrity. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi and the first director was DP Kohli. Next question. Who is the present and 51st Chief Justice of India? Very important question. The correct answer is option D, Justice Sanjay Khanna. Recently, Justice Sanjay Khanna became the 51st Chief Justice of India and he succeeded Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. So remember this. Next question. Who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India? Right answer is option D, Rajiv Kumar. Rajiv Kumar is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India. Let's see some important points. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का आर्टिकल 324 टू 329 इज रिलेटेड टू इलेक्शन कमीशन। इलेक्शन कमीशन की हम बात करें तो इसकी जो स्थापना हुई थी ये हुई थी 25 जनवरी 1950 को। फर्स्ट चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर वॉज सुकुमार सेन एंड द फर्स्ट फीमेल चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया वॉज वी.एस. Ramadevi. So remember this. Next question. Who is the present and 26th governor of Reserve Bank of India? Very important question. And the correct answer is option D, Sanjay Malhotra. Recently, Sanjay Malhotra has been appointed as the new governor of Reserve Bank of India and he is the 26th governor of Reserve Bank of India. Let's see some important points. आरबीआई की हम बात करें तो इट वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑन 1 अप्रैल 1935। नेशनलाइजेशन इसका हुआ था 1 जनवरी 1949 को एंड द फर्स्ट गवर्नर वॉज ऑसबॉर्न स्मिथ एंड इट्स हेडक्वार्टर इज लोकेटेड इन मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु इज द प्रेजेंट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, हर्षवर्धन अग्रवाल. रिसेंटली हर्षवर्धन अग्रवाल को फिक्की का प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट किया गया है. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु इज द इंडियाज चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ एट प्रेजेंट? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, अनिल चौहान. Next question. Who is the present chairperson of SEBI? Right answer is option C, Madhvi Puri Buch. Next question. Who is the current Director General of Border Security Force? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दलजीत सिंह चौधरी। इनका अपॉइंटमेंट रिसेंट में हुआ है, तो आपको याद रखना है, काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स देखते हैं बीएसएफ से रिलेटेड। बीएसएफ इसकी स्थापना हुई थी 1 दिसंबर 1965 को। इट्स हेडक्वार्टर इज लोकेटेड इन न्यू दिल्ली एंड इट्स मोटो इज जीवन पर्यंत कर्तव्य, ड्यूटी अंटिल डेथ इज द मोटो ऑफ बीएसएफ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who is the present Director General of National Testing Agency? Right answer is option A, Pradeep Singh Kharola. Next question. Who is the current Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? Right answer is option C, Suman K. Beri. Next question. Who is the current Chairman of UPSC? UPSC stands for Union Public Service Commission and its current chairman is प्रीति सूदन। रिसेंट में इनका अपॉइंटमेंट हुआ है, तो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। करंट चेयरमैन ऑफ यूपीएससी इज प्रीति सूदन। यूपीएससी की हम बात करें तो इट वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑन 1 अक्टूबर 1926। इट्स हेडक्वार्टर इज लोकेटेड इन न्यू दिल्ली एंड द फर्स्ट चेयरमैन ऑफ यूपीएससी वाज रोज बारकर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who is the present CAG of India? CAG stands for Comptroller and Auditor General of India, and the current CAG of India is K. Sanjay Murthy. इनका भी रिसेंट में अपॉइंटमेंट हुआ है, सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who is the present Chief of RAW? Right answer is option B, Ravi Sinha. Ravi Sinha is the current Chief of RAW. Let's see some important points. Full form of RAW is Research and Analysis Wing. It was established on 21st September 1968. First chief of RAW was Rameshwar Nath Rao and its motto is Dharmo Rakshati Rakshita. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Indian Air Force? Right answer is option A, Amarpreet Singh. Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh is the current Chief of the Indian Air Force. So remember this. Next question. Who has been appointed as the President of the National Rifle Association of India? Right answer is option B, Kalikesh Narayan Singh Dev. Next question. Who has been appointed as the head of the National Crime Records Bureau? Right answer is option B, Alok Ranjan. Next question. Who became the first woman to be appointed as the Director General of the Armed Forces Medical Services? Right answer is option B, Aarti Sareen. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force? Right answer is option B, Rajvinder Singh Bhatti. Next question. Who took over as India's new Defense Secretary in November 2024? Right answer is option A, Rajesh Kumar Singh. Next question. Who is the present Director General of the Shasastra Seema Bal? Right answer is option A, Amrit Moh Prasad. Next question. Who has been appointed as the President of the International Cricket Council? Right answer is option A, Jay Shah. Jay Shah has been recently appointed as the President of International Cricket Council. आईसीसी की हम बात करें तो इट वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑन 15th June 1909. Its headquarters is located in Dubai. So remember this. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the State Bank of India? Right answer is option C, Challa Srinivasulu Setty. स्टेट बैंक की हम बात करें तो इट वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑन 1 July 1955 एंड इट्स हेडक्वार्टर इज लोकेटेड इन मुंबई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who is the present Director General of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry? Right answer is option A, ज्योति विज. ज्योति विज ये जो है डायरेक्टर जनरल है फिक्की की. वहीं हम बात करें प्रेसिडेंट की तो प्रेसिडेंट जो है वो है हर्षवर्धन अग्रवाल. फिक्की की हम बात करें तो इट वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन 1927 एंड इट्स हेडक्वार्टर इज लोकेटेड इन New Delhi. Next question. Who is the current chairman of National Human Rights Commission? Right answer is option B, Justice V. Ramasubramaniam. Justice V. Ramasubramaniam recently appointed as the chairman of National Human Rights Commission. Next question. Who is the current Central Vigilance Commissioner of India? Right answer is option A, Praveen Kumar Srivastav. Next question. Who is the current Solicitor General of India? Right answer is option A, Tushar Mehta. Next question. Who is the current Attorney General of India? Right answer is option C, R. Venkat Ramani. R. Venkat Ramani is the current Attorney General of India. Next question. Who is the Rajya Sabha chairman at present? Right answer is option A, Jagdeep Dhankad. Jagdeep Dhankad is the current Rajya Sabha chairman and he is the vice president of India. So remember this. Next question. Who is the Lok Sabha speaker at present? Right answer is option D, Om Birla. Next question. Who is the current Director General of National Security Guard? Right answer is option A, B. Srinivasan. Brighu Srinivasan is the current Director General of National Security Guard. Next question. Who is the current National Security Advisor of India? Right answer is Ajit Dobhal. Next question. Who is the current Chief of Indian Army? Right answer is option A, Upendra Dwivedi. General Upendra Dwivedi is the current Chief of Indian Army. Next question. Who is the current Chief of Indian Navy? Right answer is Dinesh K. Tripathi. Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi is the current Chief of Indian Navy. Next question. Who is the present chairman of Atomic Energy Commission? Right answer is option A, Ajit Kumar Mohanty. Next question. Who is the current Director General of Intelligence Bureau? Right answer is option B, Tapan Deka. Next question. Who is the current chairperson of National Commission for Backward Class? Right answer is option C, Hansraj Gangaram Ahir. Next question. Who is the current chairperson of National Commission for Protection of Child Rights? Right answer is option A, Priyank Kanungo. Next question. Who is the current chairperson of National Green Tribunal? Right answer is option A, Justice Prakash Srivastav. Justice Prakash Srivastav is the current chairperson of National Green Tribunal. Next question. Who is the Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police at present? Right answer is option B, Rahul Rasgotra. Rahul Rasgotra is the current Director General of ITBP. Next question. Who has been appointed as the 26th Director General of Indian Coast Guard? Right answer is option B, Pamesh Shivmani. Pamesh Shivmani is the current Director General of Indian Coast Guard. So it was established on 1st February 1977. इसका हेडक्वार्टर लोकेटेड है न्यू दिल्ली में और हर साल इंडियन कोस्ट गार्ड डे मनाया जाता है 1 February को. So remember all this. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of ISRO? Share your answer in the comment box. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then press the like button and share it with all your friends. And if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel for latest content. Thank you so much.